Note, preferably adjoining column, otherwise no.
I agree.
Number 2, please knock off all decimals, bring it to 2 digits. Bring round it off to 2 digits. Lakhs, crores, even then only the figure will stick. How does it make a difference? It's 20.2 lakhs here. Does it make a difference? Is 18 or 20, does it make a difference to you? Please tell me. That is for accounting. I'm talking managerial. But this is very difficult for an accountant to stick into his mind. And I've tried my best though. Impossible. Impossible. And it's really should even now, even now, today. Yeah, and then you see ultimate figures you have to bring in such a fashion that you enable you to act, not enable you, force you to act.
And we get a challenge from anybody in a field that you have to do this work, and how we did is that we accept the challenge, but
No, if you accept the challenge, you do something about the challenge. Huh? Then you do something about it, whatever you want to do.
So can you elaborate with a specific example?
हाँ,
That will help you.
टैलेंट क्या किया?
Yeah.
आपने आपके डैडी ने बोला कि तुम्हारा मार्क कम है, यू मस्ट गो गेट अप एंड डू बेटर. योर बीवी टेल यू कि नहीं तुम कोई कमाई थोड़ी कर रहे हो, बेकार काम कर रहे हो, बढ़िया काम करो. Then mean something like that, ना?
You get used to it after some time.
Either you have to forget it. See, something will have to start.
उस बच्चे को इस वे में लेके जाना है. Then we have a challenge. Then how we like.
You have to think it through.
He's associated with Ashiana's Children Home
I know,
and working with those 60-70 kids
okay, fine.
in the IT department.
Not only for the
In the IT.
yeah, I am very professionally I am an IT man. I am done my studies in IT, and now I am scheduled with an NGO called Ashi Haryana. Ashi Haryana.
आशी
Ashi, but इसके ASHI Ashi Haryana.
वहीं कहाँ पे?
सेक्टर 16 पंचकुला.
हाँ.
तो उसमें हमें कई बार चैलेंजेस ऐसे ऐसे मिलते हैं कि जैसे हम एक वर्क करते हैं स्लम चिल्ड्रंस के साथ, कई बार ऐसे चैलेंजेस आते हैं तो उस टाइम समझ नहीं आता कि इस चैलेंज को कैसे फेस करें.
फिर चैलेंज को फर्स्ट टू एनालाइज द चैलेंज क्या है उसका सोल्यूशन तो आप ही निकालोगे ना.
ओके.
जब तक एनालाइज नहीं करोगे तब तक उसको एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा. चैलेंज क्या है क्या? बच्चा उल्टा करता है, बढ़ता है, सीधा लिखता है, टेढ़ा लिखता है, छत पे चढ़ता है, नहीं चढ़ता है, छत से छलांग मारता है, क्या करता है? वो तो देख के फिर देन ओनली यू हैव टू फाइंड एन आंसर ना. The answer will have to come from you. You have to think. Firstly, write down what are the issues that you're supposed to be having to. Listen to it, look at it coolly, look at it, observe it coolly. Maybe instead of you only doing it, do it in the team of two. Two people will give you a better insight. Always.
Okay.
Thanks.
Clear?
See, you'll have to sit down to and think.
So what has been your pillar of strength in your journey in life?
It's coming from you.
No, that's me.
Okay, that's Deepak.
So like you have a certain skill set, certain convictions, beliefs you carry on in life. What has been the pillar of strength? Is it spirituality, religion? Is it
No.
your trust in yourself, confidence in yourself? What has been done?
Religion? Nowhere near me. Nowhere near me. I have never gone to a temple, never gone to a gurdwara, nowhere. I go there for, sometimes sitting there, my mind is there. So I just go there for the ritual part of it. Because of where I am forced to go. Not that I never chose.
I'm sure you must have faced several weak moments in your life during your career. Certain weak moments. How do you resolve that?
How do you handle
come out of
basically
that?
what they say is, how do you handle when it is low in the career?
Every human being goes through those weak
No, I
moments.
understand. Absolutely. What you say is absolutely right. No question about it.
Yeah.
No question about it. Way back. Now, there are tough moments in this tractor journey. This tractor part, Punjab tractor journey. When everyone was against, everyone went here, and Gani Jail Singh and everyone did against, all over. And See, for that point, you need one is very important in a close friend. You can share. You can share openly. It may not be just to let out and resound. One thing is keep the office and the house totally separate. Never mix the house and the office. If you mix the house, I may be in the worst of trouble, but the moment I entered the gate of the house, I was laughing with no question about it. Office and gate, totally separate. My wife knew everyone in the office, but purely by first name, didn't know what they were doing, what they were doing. I never brought a file. I may be working for 4 days at a stretch, but not bring a file home. These are things which I think are good, and I really with entrepreneurs. To me, I would say, never make a wife or partner of yours into a business whatever you want. Keep them separate. I'm not
made this mistake.
Look, I mean, let me tell you something else. Well, after this, I qualified to be in PTL in 97, December, 30th December. I was 65 that time. And then, at the last second, I was also, I've been involved in diverse industries across the country, diverse technologies, all sorts of things. And one of the most important things to me was this battery technology, lithium-ion battery for vehicles, as a substitute, battery-operated vehicle, battery-operated product, lithium-ion battery. And this was the technology which was developed by Bell Labs, starting 1989. Which is the most energy-dense batteries in the world. Well, lithium is the lightest metal. After hydrogen, is the lightest metal which is there. So it is the highest permeability across all that stuff. Theoretically also it is the highest battery which you can ever get out of any and energy density. And theoretically speaking, lead acid batteries which are there, which are generally commonly available. They are storing, I think, 10 watts per kilowatt, 10 watts per pound or per kg, whatever, per kg, 10 watts. Lithium-ion takes it to 150 watts per kg. That's the difference between these. And even the best of lead acid batteries is about 25 watts per kg. And that is why if you see this, all your cell phones today have lithium-ion
The
polymer.
strategy where your customer is someone else and the price of your product is paid by someone else.
So I have this question. I was discussing with you that in our 8-year and 8-year schools we have a high price model. So now our model is sold to the student. It is explained to the student. Student likes the counseling workshop, but the payment is made by the parent. 1,000 rupees at the age of 8 or 9 will be paid by the parent. But what I have got the feedback from my students is we like the workshop, but our parents were not ready to pay.
The money. Unless the parent gets sold, you know what.
So
Please, soon may no meaning. Please understand that. The saving has to be done to the parent. Parents have to find it useful.
So should we change our marketing strategy
You have
from
to change your
explaining
marketing.
this to the
You
student
have to,
then to
yes, you have to
the,
change your marketing strategy. Absolutely, no question about it.
then we should advertise more in the newspaper?
No, I don't know what you. Please don't ask me that advertising. Advertising means a lot of money.
Exactly.
Advertisement today is very damn expensive. So you have to find ways as to how you get to the parents and sell convincingly to the parents. Sell it in the parent-teacher meeting. Do whatever you feel like. Have a do jalsa.
Have the workshops in the parent-teacher meeting. Take it slow.
May not do it. Organize a special feature for that. Do up to think. That thought has to come to you. Children, Why do children flock to all these coaching classes? Please tell me. Why?
Parents not giving them time.
Huh? No, parents are paying for it.
Parents pay for it.
They feel it's valuable.
They have no time.
Yeah.
That is not correct.
Yeah. Who is no time? No. No, they feel that they'll get whatever they want to do. They'll get the admission to JEE, PET, CAT, MAT, RAT, whatever they want to do. That's why they go to coaching classes. Do they have a better chance? Please understand that. So this is sorry,
So marketing strategy
I'm
needs to
very
be-
blunt. But this is wrong. Students will want anything. उनका क्या?
To target both. For example, all household items, it is actually to be bought by the ladies, but it is targeted to the children, you know. Children are the one who normally influence the decision making at the malls, not the actual buyer.
So please think. Ultimately the issue is not convincing. Ultimately is the money. You can have वो पैसे नहीं देगा तो क्या करोगे? So you'll have to really think as to how that is your own part. You have to think as to how do you get to the parents. How do you convince the parents? And then since you have just started, I don't know how you have to think about it. And you come with first manage your mind, then you come, we'll have a chat. I have nothing to put in that. Most welcome.
You will have a better success rate the way he is telling.
नहीं अदर सक्सेस रेट कौन जी यहाँ तो कॉलेज स्कूल कॉल दे देगा स्कूल वॉन्ट पे नो स्कूल विल पे फॉर दिस आई होप यू एग्री
What was the inspiration to go to such a large scale and how the funds were organized, Gaurav?
No, I'm basically ambitious. I mean, no question. I like to be at the top.
Ambition is another thing, but going on a national level where you were talking to the cabinet and you were fighting it out, and that's another story. And all of us are ambitious here, but that's another story, And to raise, you said 3.5 crores way back in 70, 72.
370.
Yeah. So that kind of money needs to be pumped in and go to a scale like that. It's another
Why
level.
different scale?
Please understand, it took person like him 2 years to arrange that money. Not easy to
Not
arrange money.
easy.
Of course.
2 years for
And then
him.
the total project from the day it started. It started in August 1965. The first tractor rolled out in April 74. Commercial tractors, say 13 tractors, April 74, 9 years is the game. And we declared our first dividend in 1978. So the total story is 13 years. So 13 years is 13 years. So either you have that sticking power or you have the guts to stick through all the nonsense you have to run around. I was running crazy. I was doing, I was working 20 hours a day, 20 hours every day, traveling, no question now. So that is what, either you decide, and I should never forget, sorry, when I came in here, we didn't have a penny. 5 of us come from Durgapur, the core team of 5 people came here. This is May 1970. And I say, okay, in the next 10 years, Swaraj tractor shall be 100 crores peak. No money, no nothing, we just come in. PCIDC borrowed in Punjab tractors. Punjab tractor was sorted the day after I came here. PCIDC put in initial equity of 7 lakhs into the company. That's that. And we hired a house in sector 10, house number 10, the corner house was that.
Been successful in PTL or something would have happened. What alternate you had in mind?
Yeah.
Or at any point of time in your career, you thought of any alternative than PTL?
No. I thought so, if the PTL just falls flat. I said that we were 5 of us. Okay? And we were married, we had 2 children. One was a bachelor, 2 were bachelors. One got married. I don't think they had a child. So we said, as an emergency plan, we'll all shift into one house. We can design, all of us. We can do something or we're going to survive. And in the next 6 months we'll start with, that's all.
See, that is what is important. I asked this
Then he
question.
said that we have the capability to do something.
Once you
else.
have taken a plan in
Then you can do
entrepreneurship, go wholeheartedly.
Then
Don't
you
look this way or that way.
Then you can't. No, you can't.
Fallback is different, but really
That is
आज
the
ये शुक्र
fallback.
लेकर
हाँ, नहीं,
वो नहीं.
That makes no
No.
sense.
That is, then you will never, then you question, you can't do it. कि जी ये करने ये नहीं हुआ तो इधर चले जाएंगे, नहीं, won't.
And all the colleagues who have come here.
Thank you very much.
Very valuable.
Okay.
We have a book also published by Sir Luce, and we'll, as a tradition, we'll have a photograph with him. I request all of you to come behind him. Sir, Deepak, I can't see you. Both the Deepaks are together. Okay, another one, please. Thank you.